Welcome everyone to today's tutorial. I am here today to show you how you can change or delete outfit on Roblox Mobile. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. Firstly, we open Roblox Mobile application, then we get game mode menu. Next, what we have to do is spot center profile icon on lower side of screen and click on that directly. You will get a look to your current avatar, also get options like customize, shop and edit profile picture. For this video we will be focused on customizing our avatar and we go in that section right away. After you click that, you will need to spot creations section on screen, and as you can see currently I have only plus button, and that means I have no outfits currently, but if you do there should be plenty and you can change that. I will give you an example on changing body style here because I have some purchased. And as you can see, when I tap on another body style, it will automatically save and the avatar will be changed, and it's same for outfits. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button for more.